Major step for Elrond. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm back with some news with the Elrond. Yes, go ahead and do this. We got more news as well being added into the 𝐒oin98 wallet. That's some exciting news. And the big news that I got my attention that I want to share with you, Bitcoin is now available. Get the Maiar app, the fastest gateway. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Let's go ahead and dive into this content right now. Look at the price. Elrond is $83.82. Now, when I see prices like this and it's down like this is a knock at the door, opportunity arrived. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to share with you the information that's coming through here, and you can go ahead and make a decision yourself. Elrond, with all the news that's coming out, and its rate's number 61. Man, I don't get it. But I do get it. It's time to continue adding to my bags, basically. Now, the news that came out here, the couple of things that came out here today, and this is the co-founder of Elrond, Ben, basically tweeted out this major step for Elrond. The first bridge between, let me go ahead and zoom this in. The first bridge between the Elrond Network and the Polkadot system is built by XP Network, who will integrate Elrond into their multi-chain zero-code NFT DApp building platform. And here's an article that actually explains even more about it, more deep about it. And so this is big though. I'm a fan of the Polkadot system, and now you have Elrond and Polkadot bridging together. This is big things, and it's a step in the right direction. And this is the bridge will operate according to the following principles. There are a couple of principles that the bridge will operate. The term of the XP network smart contracts are delivered to Elrond, and parallel wallet is created. Then assets are prepared and the exchange rates are retrieved from an oracle. So that's one of the actually principles that's going to be involved into this. And so we'll have to see what the next steps after this with this whole bridging system here. But I like the news. Keep coming up with the really good news, because all this does, it makes Elrond even more stronger than it really is. Now, the extra news here is that Elrond, the next news, Elrond be added to the 𝐄oin98 wallet. Now, this is something big too, because it's just more things that Elrond is doing behind the scenes. Wallet, DeFi, DApps, 𝐄oin98 wallet. So download this as well. I'm going to download this as well. I have an Android phone, so I'll be using the Google Play. But if you have an iPhone, use the App Store. So check it out. Go ahead and check this out. See if it works for you as well. So there's more things that's coming up in the pipeline for Elrond. And this is some of the bigger news that I saw today. The co-founder, Ben, of Elrond, he actually tweeted this out. Bitcoin is now available in Get Maiar, the fastest gateway in the internet of money. Now, this is also another great type of news. Buy, store, send, and receive BTC and Maiar using this process. And when I go and click on the link here, it directs me to the article. Bitcoin is now available in Maiar, the fastest gateway in the internet of money. Maiar is now the fastest Bitcoin wallet. Now, this is something I know people have been asking for, making sure Bitcoin get added to the Maiar app. Now it's official there as well, along with other assets as well on the Maiar app. Now, this is also really, really good as well. There's an article that talks more and more about this. I'll have the article in the description box. You can go ahead and read what everything says here. So this is just more great news for Elrond. Now, going back to the price of $83.93, it actually went lower since the last video I did, which meaning it's more type of opportunity. Now, Elrond, to me, this is the top 20 project, maybe even top 10 project. Like I said, my price prediction is about, I ain't saying about, my price prediction as of right now is $1,000. That's my price prediction. I know I've been saying things like, oh, I think it will be. I'm saying in this actually bull run, $1,000 per Elrond right now. Because this news keeps coming out with the Maiar application, and with them being added on exchanges, and then also this is some of the news that I really liked as well, where they're actually are bridging that first bridge between Elrond Network and the Polkadot ecosystem. you know, being involved with Polkadot and the bridge efforts, and there's going to be other steps with this type of process, and I'm really excited to learn what the next steps are. And when news come out like that, it makes me think like this is, to me, this is $1,000. It'll probably be more than that if news keeps coming out, more adoption news keep coming out as well. Because Elrond is, you know, I would not mess with Elrond. And their Twitter following continue to grow. It's 244,000 now. So it's really, really improving in those regards as well, because they want to be known, what they are known is that high scalability, fast, secure blockchain platform for distributed dApps. So they want, applications to say, they want to be known as that. And this is what's tweeted out today that really got my attention. That's why I'm doing this news here for you right now. Now, don't be worried about the price, and also try not to worry about the price. Look at the fundamentals of the price. Look at the information. Watch videos like this to really get yourself attention of it, because you can be staring at the price like this. I'm staring at the price. I'm staring at the price. But you know what? I don't stare at the price. I look at the fundamentals. I look at information like this. The XP network to be built, the first Elrond Polkadot bridge for multi-chain. Then I look at things like this. Of the Bitcoin is now available, get it on the Maiar application. This is really, really big here, because this has been something that has been in the works for some time now. And so more information here. Here's the 𝐂-𝐴 wallet's being added on there as well. Here's what information I talked about in terms of the Polkadot bridging system. And then another thing here, I think I talked about this before in my last video, is the staking, the new staking providers. I talked about this in my last video. I just want to show this one more time, is because this is another step in the right direction with the MG staking, Pro staking, and the Titan staking within the expanded Elrond validator community. This is something where is really, really good. And look at this. Titan even said, we are glad to be part of this. They want to be part of this movement. Hey, I want to be part of this movement. And if you're watching this video, you are part of the Elrond movement. You are part of this as well. So don't worry about the price here. Think about it. Hey, look, you're not going to get these prices here for a long time. It's down right now. It's consolidating, but you got to think about it. This is not going to stay here that long. It's just not. When it's time to go, it's going to go. My name is Adam Shelton. And yes, if you need to get Elrond, you can get Elrond, you can get it from their website and get it on Binance. And I have the crypto.com link at the bottom of the description if you just want to get it in a different type of way. I have the link in the description box, so check out crypto.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And by the way, look at the video to your left. Watch that video. You may be inspired today. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on this video. Don't forget to watch that video right above to your left.